Update the game. Update the game. You can't see because it's my last one, but it's these Japanese cookies that are really good. They were round. It's like an Oreo because it has filling, but it's also not like an Oreo. And this one is green tea flavored. And there's a lightning storm outside. Exciting. Exciting. Okay. I have ideas for levels I want to do. Let's start with a simple one. We'll see if I can actually make this level. Ooh. I started out wanting to make it much more complex, but stop it. I'm going to call this in and out. And it's going to have maybe this guy. Yeah, we'll just do warrior. Screw it. It's going to have 2 stones. And not sure why the island is pink, but that's fine. We're going to have this. We're going to have this. We're going to have this over here. And there's going to be like a little reef. It could be 1 square. That's fine. And it'll be actually could do this. All right. Oh, we need. Okay, so this is great. Now this guy's going to start down here. Here we're going to have buttons. Button. And honestly, I think these could be 1 more in. These need to be mirrorable. Boom, boom. And we need a mirror. Boom. Come on, bro. Okay. Oh, it's already broken. Dang it. level already sucks. Maybe not. One, two. It's fine. Probably. I mean, really, it could be that, honestly. I think. Okay. Okay. So the deal is I don't really want to be able to teleport things directly on there. So all this is going to be one more. And then this is going to be one of these baggers. Boy, that storm's going. All right, so the deal is give ourselves more land to start with. Okay. The deal is why is Packed Lilies freaking out? Damn it. I have to figure that out. I want to work on the level first, but I have to debug that because it's a newly introduced problem. Let me find a pen. Do I have a UPS? No. I gave up on UPSs a long time ago. They don't last long enough to bother with anything. Anyway. Here's going to be the deal. We're going to give ourselves a little more room. Actually, I think this could come in a bit. These are going to come down. Going to cut that off. Okay, now. I don't no, because I want. The problem is, I want Warrior Dude to be able to get onto that island via the mirror. Which may destroy the entire idea of this level. Sag. Okay. So the idea is supposed to be like, look, if I skip a stone this way, it'll land there. And if I skip one the other way, it'll land the other way. And so I wanted it to be maybe a simple level that illustrates this, right? So like, I mean, if I connect it, if I don't try hard, right? It could just be like this, right? And you're like, okay, I see that I need to line this up and I need to do this, right? Okay. But then, see, now of course the problem is I can't do the outer one and I'm hosed, right? So that's the cute part. You need to do the other one first. And how do you do that? Well, okay, here we go. I'm actually going to line this up like this. We're going to do this. So I actually want to do this. I'll get that guy over there. I'll teleport him there. All right. Okay. This is cute. Oh. We probably need one more square to make that comfortable. But there we go. That is the entire... Okay. Now, I forgot to get this stone off the corner first. So, like, oh, maybe it's fine? It's fine. Because I could do this. I could teleport here. I could go back. Right, so now this one will be going this way. And ta-ding! Okay. There's just not comfortable tolerances on this puzzle, but I like it. So much lightning today. I live in a pretty expensive building, so I don't know what that means, but hopefully it means something. All right. So if I do this, I mean, why not go all the way, right? This just gives me good tolerances. So I run up here. Okay. I go there. That's, of course, fail, but it is what it is. I could do this. And then let's put this guy over here. Could do that. Wait. I don't know. You know, whatever works, man. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that. Okay, this doesn't work. Unless I do something really spammy. There's not enough room on this North Island. Because I want to push this here and then like north. I want to push it here. And then push south like I did. And like once... Wait, what did I do before? Because I feel like I was able to do that before. But like once it's here, I can't push it north. Oh, maybe that's fine because it just starts out north, right? So maybe we do this. Okay, we just go over here. We get the Elven ring. Okay. And then we do this. And there we go. I like this level. Cool. Well, guys, how's that? I could simplify it a little bit. I could like put the exit somewhere else. Like I could put the exit, the Elven exit down here. That makes it a really funny shaped level, but it's power lines that get zapped. Yeah, but the building, it's an 18-story apartment building. Like they have their own power system is what I'm saying. I have never in my life had a PC die from a power surge. That said, I never lived in Florida, so who knows? I like this level. Is there anything we should do to it to improve it? Or is it just like done already? Let's rotate the turtles. No suggestions? Anyone? Anyone? What about a moving lily pad? That would add, I think, complexity in a way that we don't need. Like a lily pad is a fairly complex gameplay thing. Okay. Oh, I didn't finish the level. Or I did. Right. Test load failed. Dang it. All right. Recording in and out. Chunk. I have to change the designer credit to me because it probably says Zach. Whoops. And I don't want him to be blamed. Boom. Okay. Oh, it says me. Wait, what? Did I change it at the beginning of the stream? Maybe the other one was my level 2. It was Pull It V2, I think. Anyway. Okay. Okay, in and out. There was one other level that's quite sophisticated that I wanted to try. Why does it stop? Because it landed on the, like it landed on the island. See, I move it and then I teleport it and it lands. And the little image stops as well, but that's because the main stone is stopped. Right? See what I'm saying? If you had to mirror yourself to the top island. Yeah, the problem with that idea, that's how I thought I was going to do this level. And the problem with that idea is, in order for that to work, the top island has to be like super wide. And if it's that wide, then if you skip it through water on the way to the mirror, it's just going to land on the land. Right? So, yeah. I don't really know how to get around that. However, I think I'm about to do a level. If I can make this one work out. This is not going to have skipping stones. It's going to have this guy and this guy, though. Hell yeah. And I don't know if we're actually going to have buttons. We're not going to have these. These islands are going to be separate this time. And this is going to be on this island. And you're going to have to mirror to it. And you're not going to be on this island. So that's going to be there. And then this will be set up so that it can't really get LOS without stranding this guy. Let's bring these closer. I want to sort of do a thing. Sorry, I didn't want this way. I wanted this that way. And this guy's going to start up here. We're going to add another island soon, I think. So, okay, already I'm hosed. Because, like, I can't get down there, so. All right, so I'm going to go there. I'm going to go there. See, even here, okay, we need like, I don't know where the exit's even going to be. We'll leave it there for now. That lower island probably will shrink anyway. So I go here. I need one extra square. So that needs to go there. Then I can get back on the inside of it. And now, how do I get that back? I don't know. Anyway. I think I'm just going to make this island a little bigger. Just, whoops. Oh, no! This fucking thing is stealing our hotkey, and I can't turn it off. This one. Fuck you. All right. Because that's our key in the game to like reset the graphics. And if you can't reset the graphics on level 3, you're in trouble. All right. So then I'm going to make one more island. It's going to like live over here. I don't think we're going to have a button. Let's see. And on this island, it's going to be this. All right. So now I can actually get to that island, probably. Nope. Dude, it's so hard to like... All right, you know what? Both of these bigger. Bigger. All right. So I can probably get to that island just fine now. All right. So I go here. I want to set this up actually like that, I think. Why? Because of the following. Okay. Because that. Now the problem is the moving robots can't be mirrored right now, sadly. But we could make them. We could make that happen. I actually think we probably should. You know, I could probably make that a magic mirror as well. The thing is, I had wanted to avoid cloning, but there's no way to clone. Is there? Actually, there probably is. Anyway, the whole point of all this is the exit is going to be in the north. And we need to get there. And so now the problem is... Oh, well, now I'm fine. So I go here, I go there, I go fuck this mirror. I go back that way, and then I go up there. Cool, cool. And, like, I can probably make it. Okay, so what do we need? What if I do this? Hold on. Whoops. What if I do that? All right. Because I want it like... off the edge so I can push it, is what I'm trying to do. Oh, but it doesn't... So this can be there. All right. So then we go back and rescue our father from the belly of the beast. And go there. Go there. Go there. Go there. Uh-oh. Well, we can do this. No, we can do this. We go there. And it's just humorous because it'll be literally the width of this island up to the north. I like that. Making them mirrorable might break some levels. We actually don't have that many levels, but I don't think we would make them all mirrorable. I think there would be the mirrorable variant, just like there is for rocks and stuff, right? Okay. So we could probably get away with one there, and I don't know. There. And I don't think we need that. I don't know, man. Just trying to cut it down a little bit. So this is, whoops. Why is this down here? That is silly. We don't need that. There we go. Boom. How is that for them apples? Okay. It's a little bit sus to me. I'm going to try doing this with a magic mirror there. And we're just going to see. Oh, we don't even need to do anything there. We've got plenty of space. So we can get that mirror now anywhere that we want. That's great. Let me go over there. So here I could clone me, but that's unhelpful. I can't clone the mirror. Yeah, I don't think cloning it happens. Okay, so then I want to put that. Okay. And then I go there. Dang it. Oh, no, that's fine. Okay. So I have to go back over here. Oh, no. I have to dispose of that guy. Bro! How do I do this? Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's fine. Oh, that's good. That's very good. Okay. That's fine. That was a little bit of a serendipitous. Oh, it's too far. But you see the point. You see the point. Whoops. Nope. 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 Nopers. Okay, we can get rid of some more here. I mean, something like that. Anyone have any more ideas for this one? Needs more death chariots. Oh, there's going to be more death chariots tonight. Probably pretty soon. Because this is the only other level that I'd really wanted to do. So with this, like, even this island is a little big, but we're fine. So I can go over here, right? I can go there. I can go there. Actually, we should probably make an introductory level for this. I mean, I feel like that's good. I'm just going to record this. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, that error was wrong. Okay, cool. Cool, cool. If the dude is duplicated, you cannot win. Well, you have to have one dude for every exit. And if you have a dead dude, that's a lose condition. So if you duplicate, you have to unduplicate anyway. And in a level like this, you know, duplicating doesn't get you any closer to the solution. Can I just TP to the right side and TP to the end with the mirror? TP to the right side. Let's actually not do that on the top line. Is that down here? Okay. How do you suggest that I TP to the end with the mirror? Yeah, it's not facing a good direction, and there's no way to turn it actually. Okay, let's do a simple version. Let me think about this. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, we're going to delete the ocean. We're going to have something. Going to have this. We're going to have a floor. We're going to have this. And this might not be, hold on. So we're going to do this, and then let's just start with this. Oh, hold on. Let's save it. Right, the problem is that I cannot see, I'm trying to have a way where we have like a light beam and we need it to go in a certain direction. And there's no way to bounce it in that direction unless we do a tricky. Unless we do a tricky. So the idea is I want to set it up so that, okay, we need, it's not possible to do it in this orientation because, for example, we want to set this up because then that gives us the right bounce. Or, actually, right, if it's... So I kind of want it, if I want to generate that orientation, we could even make it slightly harder by doing this, right? And then, oh no. Oh, and actually, wait. Interesting. So with this one, oh, I mean, we can clone, yeah, the fact that we could clone kind of kills this level, but let's pretend we can't clone. There's only going to be 2 mirrorable mirrors and 1 boring ass mirror. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We're going to do this. Going to do that. We're going to do that. Okay. So here, let's continue to flesh the level out. We're going to have power socket. That's going to be like in a room. There's going to be a wall to the room. Oh. Well, fiddlesticks. We will put this there. Okay. Okay. I'm going to have a room. It's going to have a beam in it. It's gonna have a beam in it. I mean, I could let you move it around and whatever, but my initial idea is to have this be kind of like a decoy that's like blocking us from having our way. Okay. And then so clearly we need to solve this scenario. Now the problem is I can't get it off the frickin' wall. So that's already a problem. Let's have an area up here. Where the power is, so that people feel like they have the option of turning the power on and off. But really what this does is it lets me get this off as well. Okay. So the deal is I need something that'll push the beam the right way, right? And I don't have that. And I can't get it very easily. All right. Except that I can get it by doing the following. Or can I? Let's see. So we do this. And then that. Okay, but now we need this back. Dang it, bro. It's like there's no way to win. Wait, what did we have before? Okay, this is actually stupid. Because I can make the one I want just from the... See, sometimes you do this thing in puzzle games where you go like, oh, the player has to do this and that. No, you just do that. So that's not even good. I mean, of course, having done that. See, we need two that are like that. Which I can make, I guess. It's got to be the other one. Wait. What did I do? So that gives me that. Is that right? I feel like this might be wrong. No, it's correct. If I did, that just gives me the same mirror that I already have. If I did this, let's just give ourselves 4 mirrors. Why not? I don't know, dude. All right. So I should actually just start with these where I want them. Okay, so this is just going to be here for me to use. And I wanted this to be like the simple level, and it is not going to be that. So the deal is we need 2 of this guy. And we can't get that by normal means. But we can get it by cuckery. Right? So there. And then there. Wait. I'm so confused, dude. Bro! Okay, what's going on? Oh. Right. Same thing I did, but remove the bottom one. No, I think it's still unsolvable. Maybe. Okay. Basically, I have 0 of the one that I need right now, right? That doesn't give me one. Whoops, that doesn't reflect. Hold on. That doesn't. Okay. That gives me one. We're back to the state where we have one of what we need, right? We want to rotate this guy into the second one. That's the challenge. And that rotation has to start like this because that's the only direction that will contact. So I could do that. I could do that. Okay. And now I need one more mirror. I think. Started in the solved state. Yeah, but that's not, like, that's a way to make a puzzle where you just have to try to solve a hard problem, but this game is not about that. This game is about embodying the ideas in the puzzles, right? That said, if I want to understand what's possible better so that I can then do the idea version, it's not a bad idea to start it in the solved state. But I'm going to do something a little different from that. I'm going to add one more of these so that we have literally everyone except the one that we need. And I'm just going to have a little lab here, right? So if I do that, that's one. All right. And then this one, the question is, if I 270 it, I don't think it's going to help though. I don't think this is actually going to give me a solution, right? So, no. I'm so confused right now. Okay. The deal is, okay, guys, this level sucks. This level is not as good as I thought, because you can solve it without doing the real idea. Watch. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to... Oh, no, I can't, because I can't get it across to the other island. Okay, here's the situation, though. If the two islands were connected, I could just mirror this guy off that guy. And have him facing the right way, because he's 180 off the right way. So the power that I'm getting off this is the ability to flip the 180 without directly contacting that mirror. I missed Casey's lecture because I had a meeting at the time. I dropped in for the Q&A a little bit, but I will hopefully be able to watch it later. Okay. So the reason this is kind of magical is because normally this second mirror cannot reflect this first mirror. Oh, but it could. Okay, here's the shitty part. This is why this level maybe isn't good. So if I do this and I do this, all right. And then I can reflect this guy. Oh no, I can't, right. Right, because, okay. Because these guys are facing the same way, I just can't flip this guy. But I can do it. Okay, so this level's still good. Never mind. I'm a better level designer than I gave myself credit. Okay, this one then. How do we make this one interesting? Because I don't want to have it be separated by an island. Like the whole point was to be the same. It's not going to be anything I don't already know. That's fine. You know, once in a while, it's good to just see other people saying fucking sane things. Because, oh my God, dude, it's so bad in software. It just gets worse because people die off or retire who like knew when it was less insane. Like we're just going to reach a point where nobody can really change any software without breaking everything. And then nobody will remember that you used to be able to make programs. Like, okay, think about this. Ignoring the video game industry for a minute. Just thinking about like web and all this stuff. Like how often do people make new programs now? Like actual new programs. It's less. It happens, but it's less. Maybe we don't need that many programs. So maybe that's not that bad. But like, yeah, I don't know. Do we ever feel sad because your game designs inevitably just end up being tests of the player's ability to solve some essentially arbitrary NP hard problem? If you are doing some puzzle games are like that. If you are doing that, that's a good sign because you see the problem. You see why that's sort of boring or not that interesting. And so the next step is, what do I do that is more interesting than just give people hard mental searches to solve, okay? And that is when you can answer that question, you've started to find your own voice as a game designer. All right? So that's a very crucial observation that you are making. And then, yeah. Problem currently is we only add. That is true. I mean, I subtract sometimes, but even I wish I could subtract more. I saw you talking about the Microsoft settings dialog. They could have used some subtraction for sure. So yeah, like basically what you're saying is, having players just do a bunch of computationally intractable search all the time isn't that interesting beyond a certain number of times. And I agree, it's not that interesting. So what do you do? What do you do about it? What do you do about it? If you want the information about what I do about it, there's a bunch of older lectures online on YouTube that you could watch. But other people have different answers probably to that question. Okay, so to flip my mirror in the way that I want, let's go one step off the solution or whatever, right? So if we go here, we need two of the same one, right? But we need them facing opposite ways. And we can't actually get them both facing opposite ways, right? So this guy, whoops, I teleported myself. This guy could only flip that one in the same orientation, right? Okay. If I do this, samesies, right? Samesies. So how do we flip them around? And the answer is, well, you use one of these guys. Boom. And that's the end of the level. So my problem was I was thinking in my head that I could rotate the thing this way, but that's not how it works. Exactly. I mean, you can rotate, but only multiples of 180. You can reflect 180, or you can rotate 180. And that's it. So now the level is solvable, right? So now I get my beam action and I go. So I don't need all the other mirrors. Now, maybe that's fine. Okay, what else can I do to make this level actually good? Let's get rid of these. We're back. We're simplifying. Going to start cutting down the amount of space. I mean, really, we don't need all this frickin' space. Let's be clear about that. Whoops. Wait, what? Okay. I misclicked, I guess. Okay. And then, bam. This might as well. Let's do a good job there. Oh, you know. This is distracting. Okay. So, could probably get rid of, like, if I'm not going to have one of these mirrors be an obstacle in here, maybe it will be. I don't know. Like, let's just, this whole left side, I think, is not necessary. Okay. And the only reason I even need that doorway, like, how simple and stupid do I want it to be is sort of the question, right? Let's put these over here, I guess. 'Cause like, I could just lock this down and make it not move. Oops. So the thing is, I need to make enough space to do that. And then I'm good. This level is still way too big. So like, do I like it being that simple and oh, I cloned myself. Dang it. All right. Like, that's all right. Zebra stripe couch. We do not have, as far as I know, we do not have zebra stripe couch in the game. It's possible that I just don't know. So the question is, do I want to have some kind of mildly, you know, so like this start state is a little bit, like, okay, so sometimes the whole thing about this level is that gray mirror is key to solving the level. And we would sort of like for there to be an excuse for it to be there. And it could just be a stupid start state situation. It could be that you use it to go to a room on the left for some reason. Like, we want a reason for this to exist, probably. Although I'm up in the air on that, because sometimes that just makes levels less focused, or like have an unnecessary prelude, right? But I kind of would want a reason. In this case, I feel like I do. Now the problem is, due to the geometry of the way this is set up, I mean, what it could be is there's just 3 rooms where you have to go push buttons, right? There's a room on the left that you get to here. There's a room north that you get to here, and that lets us use that part of the map as well, right? We could have like a room, yeah, no. We could have a room on the south here, right? Um, I kind of like that. Let's try it. Let's try it. I'm going to bring this in for a second. I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go, I'm going to just make this a little bit bigger. Oh, man, see, like pushing rocks onto switch. I mean, it could even be, all right, rock, goose. Rock onto switch. See, because the room isn't that big, but like, whoops. Like, I would need to make the room bigger for you to like walk around in it enough to do the thing. Then again, maybe we have space for that. I don't know. Yeah, we could put it sideways if we wanted to. Anyway, so we have this. Let me just make the same color walls. Okay. And then see, I kind of, okay, actually, we don't need to put one on the left because we have a reason for this one to exist to get to this one. So we're just going to do this. This is just a generic job that the authors of this made up for this. Okay, so then there needs to be a way out, and that could be here. Did I delete the exit? What did I do? I did. So we'll get that back, and we'll get that back. Boom. Now we got a map, maybe. All right. Easy clap. So we start the map. We go, aha, that's one. We go, okay. Let's get this one. That's two. But what about three? Okay, now I like the, oh, I have an exit right there, so we're not going to be able to solve. There's two exits in one character. Boom. All right. Recording started. So that's one. Well, that's two. But three, it's a bit of a doozy. Not really, but you got to have the idea. That maybe that's too easy in the amount of space that I give people. Like maybe it's just too easy to do this. Or maybe it just seems easy because I made the puzzle. Okay. I definitely think we could shrink the level down more. We can cut out the middle and just rotate it like... Although I don't know if I like... see, sometimes you rotate something and it's like not as good. Maybe it's fine. But like sometimes, like I made it going north and then east and then north kind of for a reason. That's the way my brain wanted it. And so then, you know, sometimes you do this and it's not good. Like I'm just disoriented now. Yes, this is the Tau level. You are correct. Yeah, our version of Promise 2 is a lot easier because we help you out. What if... What if I leave it oriented this way? Because I like it better. I mean, honestly, we can zoom in more because we don't need all this frickin' space. Okay, so firstly, this is wasted space. This is wasted space. This 3x3 shit. We don't need that. Not for what we're doing, right? Okay. We can also okay, first let's zoom in. It's more friendly zoomed in. Well, we need a little overhead here though. Zoomy zoom zoom zoom. Zoomy zoom. Zoomy zoom. Okay. Now what I'm thinking about is chopping 2 rows horizontally. And then maybe it's still solvable. I kind of doubt it. But then we could use this middle area. Let's try this. Oops. Actually, let's just do it this way. Okay, so now it's tricky. In fact, I believe there's just no space to do this because I can do that. Oh no, there is. Wait, what? Oh, because I was teleporting. We need to improve the graphics. Anyway, I can do that. Except now I'm hosed. Because I can't make the path now. I can't make the octopus traveler. Because of this. This guy is going to block the beam no matter what. Will people stop? Why does everybody ask me if I like Elden Soul? Like, what is going on with this question? It's nonstop. Why do people keep asking me this? You know, the name of the game is in the title, sure, but why is everybody... guys, I wish I could explain why that's so wrong. It's very difficult to articulate. It's like a cultural problem that we have. So anyway, what I could do is somehow open up the middle area, and then you have to push the mirrors together in the middle area, but that's not really better, I don't think. Hold on. I don't know. Maybe this is too restricted on space and it's uncomfortable. Someone made a YouTube video of me not liking it. Why do I fucking stream? Why do I stream? To bring value to the people. Yeah, but then people make shitty YouTube videos, and it upsets me. Or it doesn't upset me, it just makes me sad. I'm sad a lot lately about these things. So my problem is I'm a little bit schizophrenic about this level because I started designing it as the easy level that intros the thing, but I don't want it to be like completely telegraphed, right? You want a little bit of a magic moment of like, oh shit, that's what I could do. And maybe it's, you know, maybe it's fine. Maybe I give people one more row here. Let's try. So 4 rows is a little bit weird because you can't center things the same. It's not as aesthetic. But then the other things are 2s. I don't know. This could be like over here. We could shrink this way the hell down if we want to. Sometimes it doesn't matter. Like, honestly, this level does not need to be this wide. The thing is, I kind of wanted to leave the possibility that you might push this over, because then... So right now, because this is so blocked off, if I use a mirror to do this one down here... Okay, there's another issue, actually, that's kind of interesting. Which is you can't make this beam on the top line. That makes it harder, actually. That lets you discover it without still being able to solve. Like, if you make this beam on the top line, you can't actually get in there to push the rock. Watch, I'll show you. I'll show you. So, if I do literally what I just did... Oh, well now still, okay, never mind. Because if I make it on the top line, oh, well, hold on. I could make it on the top line now like this. The problem is this guy cannot ever get down now. So like, oh, maybe that's fine. It's actually fine. Because I could do this. Oh, well, I pushed that too far. But you know what I'm saying. I could do this. And then I could do this. Oh, no, right. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Like, we cannot do that boulder from this angle. Why are these guys... I don't know why those mirrors are doing that. Oh, because they're through beam affected. They shouldn't be. Oh, no, that's a bug. We're going to have to fix that. That should not be how that goes. Okay, but anyway. So I need something like this. All right, so I naively go there. I go... See, as soon as I push this over here, I can't even get it back. And we need to push it over there eventually. So we're going to go here, there, and then boom, boom, boom. Okay. That was very Elven. This seems okay. Could get rid of the middle section. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The thing is, if I get rid of the middle section, the aspect ratio gets weird. And then I kind of almost have to rotate it, but I don't want to rotate it. But maybe I should, because, like, here's the thing. All right, so this is good. And yes, as you say, we can get rid of the middle section completely. I kind of want... I feel like I want more than the absolute minimum amount of space. Like, okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. There's a psychological aspect to this, which is, and I'm not sure. So in the original vision of the level, which has changed now, it maybe seemed more important, the psychological aspect, but it was like, how do I get the beam way over there to the other side of the room and then make it go north, right? And now if we crunch the level down, it's like, well, we're not really getting way over, right? We're just nudging. We're just, and maybe that's fine. Let's try it out. We can always come back to this. So we're going to do this. This might be too cramped. Going to get rid of all this Elden material. And we're going to move these guys over so we have freedom to do what we're going to do. Now this level could get even smaller. Almost. Like the exit could be in the upper quadrant. The sides could get chopped off. It could be a lot narrower even. But I don't want it to be, yeah, I don't know. I don't want it to be super uncomfortable. So here it's like even at this width, the wide, like the way people use the wide screens, this is going to be better. And maybe this is fine. You know, once the level gets even simpler, maybe I don't mind the rotation. Okay, so now I almost want to even chop rows off these rooms, except that leaves so little room to maneuver that maybe we don't make it that small. Okay, so here, obviously I can do this before I do anything. I can then go, see, this seems bad to push that there, but in fact, we're going to reflect it like that. And then we go like that. And then we go like that. I do think I like this one better. I like the smaller size. It's maybe less Elden at the smaller size, but what are you going to do? Not everything can be maximally Elden. That's pretty good. Five rows may be the ideal. The thing is, I didn't want to make it super easy to discover the rotation. I don't know. This might be too small. It might be better one wider. A gut reaction from you is fear of pushing the mirrors into walls. Well, you should be afraid. You should be afraid. Can I do it with two mirrors? No. It's not possible. Kind of like it this size. Yeah, I'm up in the air about which is better. Will there be any troll levels where undo doesn't work? No. Will there be 2-hour cloud puzzle? No. What kind of game would have a 2-hour cloud level? Games for people who smoke and like to get high. Will this game have a bitter herb? This game is full of bitter herb. That. Okay, I think our work here is done. Now, I want to fix a bug, but first I will commit the data. Guys, I'm pretty tired. There might not be that much Eldening tonight. Three levels. We made 3 levels today. On stream in 2 hours. Now that's insane. Five equals more freedom. Yeah, I'll make a note. Do I know total level count? No, we just added 3 levels. How am I supposed to know total level count? All right. Now... Oh, it's beam scan. Okay, if it's a mirror, we do the following. I might be too tired to be very Elden tonight. Okay, this thing. Okay. Maybe we don't want that. Let's see what happens there. Casey really likes Trinity. Well, it wasn't my suggestion to play it. I mean, it is one of my favorite games of all time. But he had the idea to play it separately. I don't know. I don't know how he decided to do that. Okay. See, it's like Fortnite. You decide where to land, and then you parachute down. Okay. There we go. However, it's not... It's not drawing the shit correctly. Dude, my beam! What? Is that a mistake? What the fuck is going on? What is happening? Oh. I have the camera messed up. Why did I mess up the beams all of a sudden? It's this last entity up here. Good thing I tested that. Still didn't matter. Fuck. Okay, let's verify. Maybe it's the entity step part. I'm just like not even reading the code again, which is not good. What does entity step mean? Oh. Doesn't matter, actually. Guys, I broke everything in the universe. What is going on? This is not very Elden. What did I do? All right, Roberta Williams. Oh, wait. I might have accidentally modified the other file. Nope. All right, Roberta Williams. I feel like that shouldn't matter. In which case, then I'm really confused. Dude. What the frick? I'm too tired to deal with this shit, guys. Hold on. You guys saw me play this when it was all working, right? Yeah, the mirror is getting through beam, but that's not the fucking problem anymore. The fucking problem is now the mirror beam is way off in the universe. How am I supposed to deal with that? Like fixing the through beamness I already did, but then it appeared to have broken this thing, but then maybe this was already broken? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Now I'm making a release build for a year to see if it's different in release builds. Which, if it is kind of weird. Do I write tests for gameplay things like this? I write tests for your mom. Hey, look. I mean, it's a little buggy, like usual, but it's there. This could just be like a gameplay bug. It could be a compiler bug. I never reset the camera, by the way. Bro. All right. There we go. Like, what? It's hard to tell. Like, the UVs are super stretched, which is why it looks solid green. I mean, I'll look at this for a little bit. I just want to go to bed now. Oh no, Visual Studio's expired. Oh no, it's not. I actually did it. Oh, good me. Good me. No, that was there the whole time. It was just outside the camera. I switched to Freeview so I could see it. Now, though, maybe it's somewhere. Start over. All right. It's just coming out a little differently. Wait, why are they both... What? Why is that one getting hit? Oh, yeah, because it's bouncing. Never mind. Okay, so there... Shoot. Camera is so confusing. Okay. So I'm going to go here. And I want to... It's a special puzzle game. All right, so... So I don't remember this code very well. So we just make this giant ass thing. Guys, I might be too tired for this. Anyway, so we do the blocker entities. We run down here. Should be one. Actually, more than one probably, because they're in a row. Anyway, we do all this stuff, and then we go look at the results. We look for a reflective plane, and that's how we decide that the beam is bouncing. That looks reasonable. Last extruder position is 0. Okay, we got a quad. Then we come on down here. Okay, we got another iteration. We got reflective polygons. Der-nu is y minus 1. So the level's rotated, but that seems right. Yes. But how, because that end result beam seemed super vertical, so I'm not sure how we got that. Anyway. So we got no blockers. No. For all I know, this isn't even a problem computing the BSP tree. It's maybe a rendering problem. It could be. All right, I'm too tired. I'm going to fix the other thing. And we're just going to look at it in release. Messed up beam. It looked like Y and Z had been swapped. I mean, sort of. The thing is, it was really long. So if they got... Although I guess it would be really long... I guess it would be really long. I mean, here... Okay, there's an experiment we can run on the debug build. No, it probably won't help. Okay. I just, you know, I'm tired of people asking about like, why is it still happening? Oh, because I ran the wrong program. Like, tests is one of those things people ask me about it all the time. I'm just kind of bored of people asking about tests, honestly. Because, and the reason why, okay, on the one hand, tests are very important. Like, absolutely. They are important. You should have tests. On the other hand, all these horrible, mediocre programmers will tell you all day about how important tests are and how awesome their tests are and all this stuff. So, like, clearly, and I'm just kind of shocked and depressed at how that whole culture and how it fails to self-correct and how it just gets worse over time and how nobody ever believes me when I tell them it's not the greatest thing since sliced bread. Like, so I'm just very, I don't know. So when people ask me about the trendy topics that are causing all the programmers in the world to suck at their job, I can't do it anymore. You know? That's all. That's all. Even if that's not what was intended, which it may well not have been. Okay, so that still works. Let's Benny test the whole universe here. Oh man, this thing again. Let's go at least look at what that code is. Pack theta is... Oh! I actually know why that's happening. Okay, hang on. Actually, no. We'll let this go to the end. But then we'll run it again because I want a baseline. My tests are running too slow. Go faster. Okay, so that is from a thing that I did. So we've got to be between. Yes. This is in here. And it's this code that I wrote just a few hours ago before the stream. And we're incrementing this theta, and I'm going to go... I'm looking for like... I don't know. Okay. So... Okay. We'll try that. I'm so tired, guys. I know my stream title advertised Elden Souls, but we're not going to play it tonight. I can't do it. I've done too much Elden and made myself tired. You're wondering what people who succeed in gaming industry do. Well, I mean, you see that I'm running tests on the code. Didn't specify when later was. It's true. As long as I do it at some point in the future, then the promise has been maintained. don't know why we're taking so long to load levels. I feel like we're loading something that's taking a long time, but I don't know what it is. Too bad we didn't play the Benny music. I don't like how many fails we're seeing. It's a bad sign. It means maybe I broke something. See, we only had like 34 fails before. And I feel like we're like at 33 or 34 right now. Okay. 34 failed. Hey, look, that's fine. That's what we expect. So nothing broke, and now I've got to run an entire other Benny test again. Actually, we don't need to run it all the way through. We just have to make sure it doesn't assert, which a little bit of a run will be enough to verify. Run it again. Gonna be a big game. It is already a big game. It is gonna be an even bigger game. Dang it. Okay. Whoa, I even typed the wrong thing here, guys. What a dummy. Holy crap. That's how you know I've been doing too much Elden whatever. You know what? That's fine. Elden brained. That's right. That's right. Okay. Why is the viewer number so low? Because I said I don't like Elden Souls. Fuck. All right. Debug build. All right. We will get a stack trace from this. Oh boy, the sound. Okay. Didn't take long. Set post teleport theta. Theta is 169. That is not a round number. That is... Okay, so I thought the problem was that it was out of range, but it wasn't out of range. $2.95. Fuck. Okay, so v dot y. Fuck. Dude, debuggers. Debuggers are bad. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it up here so that when this error goes off, it'll be like in scope. And the debugger can see it. Okay. 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 So theta at 2.9. V is messed up. Forward is messed up. Oh, because we're using the orientation. Yeah, okay. So the problem is I'm using a cosmetic thing for gameplay purposes because I'm a bad human being. What do I have for rotate? Can I rotate by an angle? We have vector 2 by float and vector 3 by quaternion. So E dot theta target times tau over 360. All right, and then forward. All right. Now that again, we're going to need to Benny test the heck out of. Here comes the sound effects. I think we're getting further. We're not asserting. Okay. One more time. Okay. I am so tired, everybody. It's one of those nights, but that's okay. Here we go. We're testing again. Because that actually affected gameplay, so hopefully it goes faster. Like, hopefully the reason that one took longer is because we were somehow doing asset processing that was not loud. Seems like it's going a lot faster. Seems like we're gonna make it. 500. We getting them. We lining them up. We lining them up. It's very good. I'm solving Quordles while this goes. Because chat is not saying anything either. We're just all being quiet here. I'm going to make that my word. Quiet. Quiet is the first word. There's no cues. The second word is gravy. Boom. Okay, gravy wasn't a very good word. Third word is pound. Pound was a pretty good word. Oh no! I got hosed. Boom. Okay, we've got one word, but I got so hosed because I was rapid firing without thinking about how many words it could be, that now I have to get one each turn, and I don't think I'm in. Well, boom, 2. TOPIC, topic. 3. Okay, we got 3 out of 4. We have one guess left for number 4. We have 32 fails. Look, we magically fixed 2 fails. That's great. Okay. I'm going to commit this and say, magic mirrors don't get beam effects when hit on the reflective side. Fixed a bug in the new mirror angle handling. Boom. Oh, I've got a no check-in. Right, because of my line. My line. That one. Boom. All right, everybody. I'm going to bed. Thanks, everybody, for hanging out. And, yeah, we'll do some more programming or something. See you all another time.